Hey guys, this is Tattoo Tony and welcome back to another adventure. Today we're exploring another abandoned home in a neighborhood in Alton, Illinois. All the last 4 homes, I believe, came out of this neighborhood as well as the next 2. And anyways, Alton, Illinois is a pretty old town founded, I believe, in the early 1800s, and it had history going before that. In fact, Lewis and Clark set out and made camp on the shores of the Mississippi River not far from here. So there's quite a history. It's known as one of America's most haunted small towns. And all these homes were built on a bunch of hills overlooking, a steep hill overlooking an industrial area that once had very large manufacturing facilities, if you will, or factories where they made glass bottles, steel mills, etc. And these are the homes of the working class people that worked in those factories. Now the jobs are gone, and the town has held on as long as it could. There's been a ton of abandoned properties here for quite some time, and a bunch of elementary schools and different junior highs that are shut down in the area, as well as factories that are long gone that sat abandoned for a long time. And these homes, none of them, they recently in the past 10-12 years adopted international building codes, and many of them aren't even close to meeting those codes, and there's just too many homes sitting, and absentee landlords that do the bare minimum to rent these homes out in a lot of cases. Or when the properties change hands or somebody that was living in them dies, people just find that it's not worth doing the work to bring them back up to code, and they sit and become abandoned. There's also a lot of fires. Anyways, enjoy the video, like, comment, subscribe, and share.
Did you see that? Dude, where's my breather? Dude, this floor is dangerous. All that's been ripped out. Wow. Wow, look at that, dude. That's dangerous. I don't even know. You can't tell where the floor might be gone. That's the bathroom. Oh my God, guys, look. Oh. I don't know if I'm catching it all. Dude, you really can't go in there. Q-tips. Let's see what's left. Oh, that's nasty looking. Digital photo tips, toasted oats. Where do you think that cat went? Wow. Jungle Book. That's an old suitcase. Damn. This is an old house. Look at this old workbench. This old workbench is pretty awesome. Is that where the old furnace used to sit? I mean, definitely, but that's something old. Whatever that was that sat. I'm kind of surprised there's not a coal chute. Look at these old nails. There's the upstairs. Here, hit that for me. I was trying to see if there's any dates. I don't know. Quarter-pound hamburger. Hey, Andrew, there's a mask in here. That's got to be pretty new. Guys, I'm not going to show you the name on there, but the date says 2013. It's some sort of bank statement. So somebody lived here in 2013. Just kind of looking for a photograph. '95 GMC truck. There's coats and clothes. Let's take a look. The backyard's pretty crazy. It's just like a jungle of stuff, and it's all overgrown. Nobody was really caring for it or chopping down old trees. Just kind of overgrown. Let's get the backyard.
Alright guys, stay tuned for the next video. Here's a photograph from the next video. This place had everything left behind. Nothing was not left in this next home, and it's just unbelievable, guys. Same neighborhood, and it really makes me wonder what happened to the person or people who were living here. You guys are really going to like this one. It's an abandoned house full of stuff, and hope you guys enjoy. Hopefully we can get some more views out of it. So please like, subscribe, comment, and share.